Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to another video. Welcome to PMG YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do a vlog actually because we're going to do a local cuisine tour with some other people. I'm actually in Kivu at a hotel, I think it's called Bethany Hotel. I came here really early in the morning. I've been here for about an hour because I was told I had to be here at 7 a.m. in the morning because we came to pick up another group of people that were going to do this tour together. So I've been here for an hour because it's 8 something already. We're still waiting for them, and once they are ready we're gonna start this tour. So from here we are going to go to Kimironko Market to do some shopping, some grocery shopping, and then we will head somewhere else to go cook some local cuisine stuff. So I think it's going to be an interesting experience and I can't wait to get started. So yep, stay tuned guys, and I hope you're going to enjoy the video. And hey, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for the support. And if you were a new viewer on this channel, please go ahead and click the subscription button because there is a lot of more interesting content to come.
Visit Rwanda. If you're lonely, mama, we know for Zinanga.
We started the day by picking up our guests from their hotel here in Kivu, and from there the local cuisine adventure officially began. Driving through the city, we passed through some of Kigali's familiar streets, Kivu, Kimihurura, all the way towards Kimironko Market. And honestly, even the drive itself felt like part of the experience. Kigali in the morning always has its own vibe. Calm in some places, busy in others, with people already moving around, starting their day.
Rwanda. Visit Rwanda. From the heart of Africa, ijwi riranguruye kubashaka kuhanyura, maremba ruguruye kubashaka kuhatura nkatuza. Here safety is first, visa fee no cost, be a fast to toast, hano hash to post. Oh my god, it's green, everywhere had it clean. Lunch Kigali hot, dini sanga igise, mugwa matanu buki mu misozi igihumbi. Kotewe nabo tuzi, niyo duha uburinzi. Turebe kure nka poke, mukuru w'aba VA, nukura bikora bien, nukura biri mote, aho tugeze niwe, imana ikongera strength, ikanagabanya stress. You can go east to west, then you go north to south, then you can back to center, muri zone of gender, yes I'm made in Rwanda, visit Rwanda. Visit Rwanda. Rwanda. Visit Rwanda. Rwanda.
Now, if you're going to cook authentic local food, there is really no better place to begin than the market. And trust me, Kimironko Market is an experience on its own. The moment we arrived, it was full energy, fresh produce everywhere, people buying and selling, conversations happening from every corner, and of course, the mission of the day, finding everything needed for our traditional meal.
Visit Rwanda. Visit Rwanda. Rwanda. Visit Rwanda.
From fresh vegetables to spices and all the local ingredients needed for the cooking session, we moved through the market, shopping section by section, making sure nothing was left behind. And somehow, Markets always have a way of turning simple shopping into an experience. There is so much to see, so much movement. You almost forget you came for groceries.
Visit Rwanda. If you're lonely, mama, we know for Zinanga. Hoya ntabyo umwanda uhumeka uw'i Rwanda.
Uzagere na conversion.
Rwanda.
Urebe imbuto foundation. Real foundation.
Visit Rwanda.
Uzagere na conversion.
Rwanda.
Urebe imbuto foundation. Real foundation.
Visit Rwanda. From the heart of Africa, ijwi riranguruye kubashaka kuhanyura, maremba ruguruye kubashaka kuha.
Once we had everything we needed, it was time for the next stop. Back into the bus we went, leaving the market behind and heading to Kimihurura, where the real cooking experience was waiting for us at Judith Safaris.
Ndashaka kuhatura nkatuza. Here safety first, visa fee no cost. Be a first to toast, hano hash to post. Oh my god, it's green, everywhere hari clean. Lunch Kigali hot, dini nsanga igise. Mugwa matanu buki, mu misozi igihumbi. Kotewe nabo tuzi, niyo duha uburinzi. Turebe kure nka poke, mukuru w'aba VA. Nukura bikora bien, nukura biri mote. Aho tugeze niwe, imana ikongera strength, ikanagabanya stress. You can go east to west, then you go north to south, then you come back to center. Muri zone of gender. Yes, I met in Rwanda. Visit Rwanda. Visit Rwanda.
Uzagere na conversion.
Rwanda.
Urebe imbuto foundation. Real foundation.
Visit Rwanda.
We're going now to start the action. So, what's the name of the So the things you just came from the market to buy, you are going to cook as well. So we'll be here to show you how we cook and all the food. So everything will be right. Don't worry.
As soon as we arrived, the energy shifted from shopping mode to cooking mode. Before getting started, Judith gave everyone a quick briefing, sharing a bit about the experience, what we would be cooking, and how the whole session would go. And after that, everybody got straight to work. Some people started preparing vegetables, others got busy organizing ingredients, while a few helped to get the cooking pots and kitchen setup ready. It quickly turned into teamwork, and honestly, that's what made it fun. Everyone had something to do.
Visit Rwanda. If you're lonely, mama, we know for Zinanga. Hoya ntabyo umwanda uhumeka uw'i Rwanda.
Uzagere na conversion.
Rwanda.
Urebe imbuto foundation. Real foundation.
Visit Rwanda.
Uzagere na conversion.
Rwanda.
Urebe imbuto foundation. Real foundation.
Visit Rwanda. From the heart of Africa, ijwi riranguruye kubashaka kuhanyura, maremba ruguruye kubashaka kuhatura nkatuza.
But of course, good food takes time. So while the cooking continued, the fun didn't stop. To keep the energy going, there were traditional games, a few dance lessons, and plenty of laughs along the way. It turned into more than just a cooking class, it felt like a full cultural experience. Oh God.
nukura birimo te aho tugeze niwe imana ikongera strength ikanagabanya stress. You can go east to west then you go north to south and you can back to center muri zone of gender. Yes, I'm made in Rwanda. Visit Rwanda. Visit Rwanda.
Tutagera conversion.
Rwanda.
Foundation. Real foundation.
Visit Rwanda.
Tutagera conversion.
Rwanda.
Foundation. Real foundation.
And finally, after all the waiting, the food was ready. Everything was served, everyone gathered around, and after all that teamwork, it was finally time to enjoy the meal. And you could tell people were genuinely happy. Good food, good company, and honestly, the kind of moments that make experiences like this memorable.
Visit Rwanda. If you're lonely, mama, we know Fuzinanga. Hoya ntabyo mwanduhumeka uw'i Rwanda.
Tutagera conversion.
Rwanda.
Foundation. Real foundation.
My name is Lucas. I've been in Rwanda for 11 days and I think the workshop for cooking was very cool because you could see how to prepare the food and how it is traditionally cooked with the traditional things and the pots and everything, and it was very cool to see it, and I think that everyone should do it just to see the culture.
What was your favorite food?
I think my favorite food was the sweet potato.
And did you have any other experiences around Rwanda?
Sorry, again?
Did you have any other experiences? Like, did you have a safari experience? Or
Yeah, yesterday we were at the Akagera National Park and did a safari. And before that we visited a partner school and just did a trip through all of Rwanda. So we had quite some cultural moments here. And we visited some of the museums, like the King's Palace Museum or the Ethnographical Museum. And it was very cool to see the culture.
that was great. Thank you so much. That's all.
Okay, my name is Clara Schmidt and I'm 17 years old.
How was the experience today?
It was really nice to eat Rwandan food and to experience how it was made, and it was really delicious.
And what was your favorite food?
My favorite food was the cooked banana and the sweet potato.
And what's one thing that you never forget about Rwanda trip?
There are so many trips that I will never forget. First of all, it's our partner school and the students who were there and my partner. And I will also not forget the Rwandan food and the people here. They are so kind.
So I heard you're flying back home tomorrow.
Yes.
Do you think you will ever come back?
Yes, I think I will come back. Maybe, because it was really nice here and the people were so nice and yes,
All right. Thank you so much.
yeah.
That's it. Any other words?
And the landscape is also nice and thank you for interviewing me.
All right. You can start by telling us your names.
Okay, I'm Leah, and I've also been on the school trip for 11 days throughout Rwanda.
How has been the experience so far?
I think it's been really great. We got to saw a lot of the country. I think the landscape is beautiful, and we got to meet so many people.
How was the food experience?
Sorry?
Food experience?
I really liked it. I enjoyed being able to do something hands-on and to help cook it ourselves and to peel and to go to the market. I thought it was very fun. And at the end, if you can eat what you made, it's like a good experience to be able to have that at the end.
Yeah. What do you think is going to be your lasting memory about this trip?
in general, I think especially the time we spent in Akagera National Park and also how the people in Rwanda are. They were always welcoming, very nice. They waved at us when we were in the bus or on the street. And yeah, I think the people are very welcoming.
Even after eating, nobody was really ready for the day to end. There was still a little more dancing, more laughter, more moments to enjoy together before reality slowly kicked back in. But like all good experiences, eventually it was time to say goodbye. The group had to head back. Although nobody really wanted the day to end, it ended on a such good note. And just like that, our local cuisine experience came to an end. Honestly, what started as a simple cooking session turned into so much more. From exploring Kimironko Market, learning about local ingredients, cooking together, sharing laughs, dancing, and of course enjoying some really good food. It was such a beautiful way to experience a piece of Rwanda culture. Now, if this looks like something you would love to experience yourself, maybe you are visiting Rwanda or simply curious about traditional Rwandan cuisine, this whole experience is organized by Judith Safaris. You can check them out on Instagram, Facebook, or simply search Judith Safaris on Google to find their website and learn more about their local cuisine experiences and other tours around Rwanda. And before you go, thank you so much for watching this video. We really appreciate you being here. If you enjoyed this vlog, make sure to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment and let us know what part of the experience you enjoyed the most. If you are new here and haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing to PMG for more stories, experiences and adventures from Kigali, Rwanda and beyond. To everyone who keeps coming back and supporting the channel, thank you. We truly appreciate you. Until next time, take care and we'll see you in the next one.